A boater's paradise on a saltwater canal with direct open access to the Manatee River and beyond to the Gulf of Mexico. This 4-bedroom 3-full-bath open floor plan home is located in the premier gated boating community, Harbour Walk in the Inlets. This beautiful open floor plan home offers your own private dock on saltwater with a 14,000 pounds boat lift and 2 floating jet ski docks along with electric and water. Upgrades include a gourmet kitchen with upgraded cabinets and counters, tray ceilings in the spacious great room and master, high ceilings, media bar room and lanai, an oversized 3-car garage, heated pool and spa, hurricane shutters, and much more. Also a custom built-in bar in the media room, whole house generator, built-in outdoor kitchen with a Viking commercial 48 inches grill and hood along with many items too long to list. Ask your realtor for the entire upgrades list. Harbour Walk is a private, gated community with brick paver sidewalks and driveways, kayak launch, fishing dock, playground, tennis courts and more. Convenient to I-75, Tampa Airport and Sarasota/Bradenton International Airport. Enjoy all that the SRQ Sarasota Bradenton area has to offer like the arts, restaurants, and Gulf beaches of Anna Maria Island, Holmes Beach, Bradenton Beach, Lido Beach, and Siesta Key.